I hope you are minding this billions network. This airdrop, if you carry an analysis on it, it is quite different from other airdrops we have been farming. So I want to take you around this app for you to understand how it works. In case you are not farming it yet, don't give up on airdrops. Airdrop is one of the ways of making money as far as you are into crypto space. So if you have not been taking this billion network airdrop serious, I will beg you, please start farming it, okay? It's an app. Are you getting it? Okay, I just started now. I just signed up. I've not gone far. I just started. Okay, this is the level I just started. So I said, let me bring this update to you guys so that tomorrow you'll not say, this crypto authority didn't show us or didn't tell us or didn't make a video on this very airdrop. Show your graph. So that's why I'm doing the video now so that you will understand what is happening. Over here, you can get your link, share it to your friends, your community. If you have a community, your friends, your brothers and sisters that are farming airdrops. If you have a smartphone, why are you not farming airdrops? What are you doing with your smartphone, for crying out loud? And you are into crypto. What are you waiting for? Just join the moving train. Let's farm this airdrop back to back. Are you getting it? Copy this link, share it to your friends. Let's proceed. You'll be rewarded for sharing this link, okay? They'll give you a reward. Then join join them on Discord, okay? You'll be given a reward on it. Are you getting it? Good. As I said, I just started. They said click and earn 25 of this token, okay? But this is daily login. If you log in today, they will give you 25 pieces of this billion token. If you log in tomorrow, they give you the same thing. Each day you log in, you keep getting a token or some pieces of this billion network token from them. I get it. Then if you get referrals, okay, they'll still give you some reward. Are you getting it? So say join Discord community. Okay, join and earn 200 of this token. Let's see if we can join. Click on it. I don't know. I don't know how the thing disappear from my app. Let me see if I can join, or is it back? Okay, let's join and see if we can. My phone just got an issue a few days ago. I need to fix it back so that I can install some other apps. Okay, just a side patient. Don't be, anytime you're farming a drop, we are doing tasks. You don't need to, be in a haste. No, you don't. Okay. Hey. All right. Then authorize. This authorize. Let's click on it. Authorize. Once you click on it, you need to hold on. Airdrop is not something you do it or sign up in a rush. Once you are signing up or you are doing some tasks, understand, you need to be patient with it. At times, network issue. Are you getting it? That's how it is done. So let's go to Discord, complete Discord verification. Let's see if it works. I've not yet installed the app. I deleted the app because some things I noticed in my phone. So okay, can you see? Say I should register. It's for me to log in. Let our log in and proceed. Let our log in and proceed. This I say email communication. You agree to receive marketing. Wait. Email communication. You say you agree to receive marketing communications, including rewards, update from billions. So once you subscribe here now, you'll be given let's subscribe 200 of this token. Let's subscribe and see how it goes. You see, I've gotten the reward there. Good. So they said here I should connect to earn up to 200. Okay. If you click on this connect, I think you will see Trust Wallet here. You choose any of the wallets or Trust Wallet or any of them and connect. Are you getting it? Good and fine. Good and fine. Then you proceed. They say verify you are connected with Billions ecosystem. Okay, this is Twitter. It says follow and earn up to 600 of this token. Follow them on Twitter. Give them a follow. What do you do? Click on this follow. Let's see. Just be patient, okay? Just give them a follow on X. That is former tweet known as Twitter. They'll give you 600 of this billion token. So all these things we are doing now, they are called tasks. It said authorize. It has carried me to let's how it goes. Can you see it works? Okay. I don't enter level before I did level 1. Shey you know. Now I don't enter level 2. So let's proceed. Just trying to show you how to run all these things. Okay, good. Then you see, they say verified. Can you see? Good and fine. So this one here, you need to run this task to repost and earn 100 of this token. Repost and earn 100 of this token. So I'm showing how to run the task. Then if you click on this download, it will carry straight to Play Store. You go to Play Store. If you click on this download and download the app, can you see it? It says install and earn 200. Once you install the app in your phone, you'll be given 200 of this billions token. Are you there? Then after you prove that you are human, you do your verification, you'll be given 600 of the token. So each tax plenty here. Just keep verifying, okay? Keep verifying. That is all. Once you are done, it's for you to you may even reach level 4 or 5 before by the time you finish running this tax. You might reach level 4 or 5. Are you getting it? So thank you so much. I don't want this video to be long. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.